This is Braden from Mad Dog Cycles. I'm one of the techs here. I'm just gonna show you guys how you should properly install a quick release. So this is a quick release right here for the front wheel. There's 4 parts to it. So the first part is this axle nut right here. And then there's these 2 springs right here, little cone-shaped guys. And then you got the main quick release. So I'll show you guys how to put it together. You want the springs go with the big side towards the outside of the quick release. So when it's put together right, it should look like that. We don't have a wheel in here obviously, but you want to make sure that these springs are big side out. If you don't, they're going to get pinched when you tighten the axle down into the fork of the bike, and it's going to make it really tricky to get the wheel in and out the next time you go to take it in and out.